Hi, this is going to be a quick demo on Terraform and Prowler to support a security baseline. So we're going to go into AWS Cloud Shell to pull off all this magic, and here we are. We're going to get our Cloud Shell environment spun up, and from here what we're going to do is we have some commands in our GitHub repo. Paste those in. It's going to clone the repo, and it's also going to install Terraform. Terraform does have Amazon Linux support, so it makes it really easy just to drop in a few CLI commands. And after that, we're able to deploy our Terraform modules. So here we go, a Terraform init commands will initialize that backend. And then when we want to deploy those resources, it's a simple Terraform apply. And from there, you're going to see that the resources are going to start being built once we click yes. Above there is all the changes. Now, just a quick call out. It does enable a subscription to the Prowler findings, and it does appear that there's a bug or some issue with Terraform because there's an error. But that error, we could validate that Prowler findings are being accepted by Security Hub by navigating into the Security Hub console, going to integrations, and typing Prowler, and there we could see accepting findings, so we know it works. And so the next step is to kick off our Prowler assessment by going into code build, and here we go. It's as easy as clicking start build, and that's what we're going to do now so we could get this Prowler assessment running. So what you would like to do maybe is click on tail logs, and that's going to show you everything that code build is doing vis-a-vis Prowler, just like you would see it on the CLI. So CloudWatch events will trigger this nightly. It's 1200 hour 0 hours GMT, and so those can be changed based on your Terraform deployment. So now you could see it was complete. So the reports are being saved into the S3 bucket. You're going to see two JSON files in the S3 bucket, and those are your Amazon security finding format outputs in JSON. And those are those two files there. I know it's quick. It's just that the goal here is just to demonstrate the functionality here. And finally, we'll have to go into Security Hub and actually look at those findings in the console. So go ahead, click into Security Hub, and then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to see the findings that Prowler reported into the console. It's easy to search. Just go to product name and then type in Prowler, and this is going to allow you just to search those findings associated with your Prowler scans. And so as this queries, you're going to see a bunch of findings have returned. I like organizing it by severity. This is a killer feature in the sense of you could take your critical items first. And that wraps up our Prowler demo deployed with Terraform to support that security baseline. Thanks.